In this video, we're going to talk about Heptabase. If you're an avid reader, researcher, or scholar, Heptabase will help you develop more visually based thinking skills through its integrated whiteboards, cards, note linking, PDF annotations, Readwise integration, Zotero integration, and AI tools. Heptabase was made with students, researchers, and lifelong learners in mind, which makes it very useful for academic purposes. The underlying concept behind the tool is clear. Rather than restricting your thoughts to a traditional notebook format, you're able to map them onto whiteboards, connect related notes, and construct a knowledge base based on your sources. Another major benefit of Heptabase lies in its ability to organize your research efficiently. This is due to the fact that the platform offers whiteboards, mind mapping, note connections, source management, and more, including PDF annotations, web clippings, and Zotero integration for reading heavy research tasks. Finally, Heptabase continues to enhance its offerings in 2026. According to the changelog, some of the recent changes include goal discovery, AI tutor improvements, exporting whiteboards as images, nested tags, and mobile PDF annotations in iOS and iPad OS. This is significant for academia since the application is not meant for taking notes alone. The program is designed to facilitate a transition through different processes, from reading to organizing and then writing. In addition, Heptabase allows collaborative work through the use of shared whiteboards. There are some downsides. Heptabase employs a subscription-based model, currently having three levels of subscription at Pro for $8.99, Premium for $17.99, and Premium Plus for $53.99. The app is rather sophisticated compared to basic note-taking applications and thus might require some getting used to. Therefore, is Heptabase worth it for academics in 2026? In case you seek a visual method of carrying out research, writing literature reviews, and analyzing complex information, Heptabase seems to be a great choice. However, in the case of just simple note-taking, Heptabase might be considered overkill.